Turn the power switch on the side of the unit. Use the jog up and down button to position the crosshead to hold the coupons, and then hit GL reset to 0, the extension. After initial power up, you do need to calibrate the load cell by pressing Cal and then Enter. It takes a few seconds. Once the load begins 0, you can then balance by hitting Bal and then Enter. The crosshead speed only needs to be set once, in this case 25 millimeters a minute. Okay, you're ready to run the tensile test. Let's open the guard door and install the coupon in the grips. Do not overly tighten the grips. You just need to snug them. Close the guard door and hit track and then reset peaks. Balance the load cell, and when you're ready, hit the up button to initiate the test. This usually takes a few minutes to run. We're going to go in fast forward mode. Once the peak is attained and the load is dropping off, you can stop the test by hitting the stop button. Open up the guard door and release the grips. Close the guard door and hit the return button to reset the crosshead position. Enter the test results and weld parameters in the Excel spreadsheet. After testing, please discard your coupons in the recycle bin.